Huge participation made SMART more exciting. The best spirits to compete. The SMART event had hundreds of participants enrolled, which made the competition actually fierce. Various categories. The categories of the event were verbal reasoning, nonverbal reasoning, quantitative aptitude and data interpretation, for grades 1 to 6. Congratulations winners! For the grades 1 and 2 division, Neil K came in 3rd place. Proud of you! For the grades 3 and 4 division, Avantika G came in 3rd place. Compete to win. For the grades 5 and 6 division, Isha V came in 1st place. For such upcoming mega events, visit www.98thpercentile.com.